Hey everyone, let's cover problem number 67, okay? Determine the maximum value for y equals tangent squared plus tangent x for x between 0 and pi over 4. All right, so we get y equals tangent squared plus tangent x. And we have for that little x staying between 0 and pi over 4. Right. So we're going to use the same strategy for t substitution. We understand how tangent function looks like. In between 0 and pi over 4, I can tell you that the graph is going to go somewhere like this. And, well, if we have some pi over 4 down there and 0, this better be 1. So if we use the fact that t equals tangent x, well, using that little, third variable, well, we can say that t equals tangent x. And I can tell you that we have one-to-one correspondence between x and t in this case, and t is going to be locked between 0 and 1. All right, so we have this little interval, and all we need to do is just to rewrite this y equals t squared plus t. Okay, so if I just simply sketch this graph again, this is going to be ty axes, not the xy axes, because we have switched from x all the way to t, and we're using this fact about this transformation. And we have t squared plus t, which can be graphed as somewhere at -1 and 0, and we can actually sketch accordingly. Right, it looks like a parabola, nice looking parabola, centered at the vertical line t equals -1/2, and all we need to do is just to find out the maximum possible value. And in between 0 and 1, which is farther out, which is farther away from the line of axes? Well, the line of symmetry, line of symmetry. Well, we can simply mark this out, saying that t equals -1/2. And if we have -1/2 out there, there's going to be 0 out there, and there's going to be 1 out there. And if I just simply extend this, curve a little bit, we can just, we can scrutinize all these parts, the portion of this curve very carefully. And we understand that the maximum possible value of this y will occur when t equals 1. So that being said, we end up getting maximum possible value of y will be 1 squared plus 1, which is going to be 2, and that shall be it.